What's up, you fine people? It's I'm Callie, I'm a dad, and I'm tired, and this is CaliDad Taste Test. It's been a long week. It's been a long week. Even though it just started, even though it's Monday, it's the Monday before Christmas. I'm gonna drink a beer. That's what I feel like right now. We're gonna drink Alamo Beer Company. Hold on. There you go. Luna Roja, which means red moon for you uncultured people out there. Blood orange and coriander and grapefruit. That sounds really good. That's the whole reason I bought this, because that sounds delicious. That's really good. There's a lot of grapefruit profile. I don't know how you would phrase that. It definitely tastes like blood orange. I can definitely taste the grapefruit. I don't know what coriander tastes like by itself. I have some, I think. I have a million spices in my cabinet, but I don't have coriander. I've literally like 40 spices, but somehow I don't have coriander. This is good. Focus. Come on, you can do it. There you go. I like this beer. If you like a fruity beer, a citrusy beer, which I do, I'm very fond of citrusy beer, you should go track this down if you're in the South Texas area. It's a good. I don't know how to end this. Good night.